Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can invite your friends or any other person on Temu app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Temu app. Once your Temu app gets opened up, you need to click on the U option located at the bottom screen. Once you click it open, you need to simply tap in refer and earn option. Once you do so, you can see the option of invite new app user. So you need to simply click on it. Once you click on it, you can get several options through which you can invite your friends to use Temu. So amongst all these, you need to click on the option you find more easy to work with. Now all you need to do is select a bunch of people or one to invite on the Temu app. So this is how you invite someone on Temu. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.